My brothers and sisters, here within the South England Conference, we take the health of our members and staff very seriously. In light of the COVID-19 coronavirus, which has been declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization, we're encouraging our members to be sensible and take the necessary steps to ensure the safety of each person. We're closely following the counsel of our Adventist medical professionals, as well as the British government. The British government has decided to allow schools and large meetings and sports events to go ahead for now, as they have a strategy to protect the economy and to hopefully deal with the rise of infections and deaths during the summer. This is a time when the NHS is less busy and when infection is less effective, as people will not be stuck in their homes due to the cold weather. However, the government does admit and predict that the numbers will rise and people will die. We've been given information via letters as well as from the BUC website as to how we can help each other to be safe. Personal hygiene is imperative. The washing of hands with soap and warm water, respecting each other's personal space, refraining from handshaking, from hugging and kissing are all ways that we can help to keep each other safe from spreading bacteria. Self-isolation when you have flu-like symptoms is a must. Our church gatherings is a hotspot for cross-infection. We must do our part to minimize this. The time will come when we will have to close our churches from meeting together. This will be a very difficult decision that we will have to make. However, in the interest of the safety of our members, it will be necessary. We have plans to allow you to continue experience worship in your homes, and the SEC media will be streaming live messages on Sabbaths from our studio at the South England Conference. Adventist Radio London will also be available for those who prefer to listen on Sabbaths. I will urge our senior members and those who have health challenges in particular to stay at home and avail yourself to the provisions put on by the South England Conference. The way a country responds to a COVID-19 outbreak has an impact on the speed and degree of spread. Please look at this chart. Because the virus spreads even before symptoms occur, a country like Italy finds itself with many casualties and thousands of cases. Compare this to Singapore or Japan that took early, decisive action. They have fewer cases. As we seek God's guidance, let's take the necessary steps to safeguard one another, but in particular, our elderly and vulnerable members. I urge our pastors and officers to be proactive in encouraging our senior members to remain at home and be in constant communication with them. Help them with the shopping. Be kind and Christian to them. It is my conviction that the Lord will take us through this difficult time. So please be encouraged by the word of God, which says, "Hast thou not known? Hast thou not heard that the everlasting God, the Lord, the Creator of the ends of the earth, fainteth not, neither is weary. There is no searching of his understanding. He giveth power to the faint, and to them that have no might he increaseth strength. Even the youths shall faint and be weary, and the young men shall utterly fall. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint." We are constantly monitoring the situation and will give you further updates on Monday.